Just finishing up the composites for civil structures. We're talking about asphalt paved surfaces and geotextiles. They're both used in road construction essentially. So let's roll them together. This is a cross section of a road. It has a natural grade, so the water runs off the centre of the road to the outside, because the last thing you want to do at 100 kilometres an hour is to hit a puddle. So roads have a natural grade to them. That is the AS 1100 symbol for earth. That is untouched earth. That's we dig into the ground to build the road. We have underneath it, on top, let's go from the top down. We've got the final asphalt surface, which is bitumen. Another word for bitumen is asphalt and aggregate. Sharp aggregate to give tyres something to bite into. Usually it's basalt, which is an igneous rock which is incredibly strong, and because it's glassy it shatters into sharp aggregate. That's the black rocks you see on the road. And literally it's just rocks with bitumen between them. Bitumen is what comes from the bottom of an oil refinery. It's the really thick sludge out of the oil that's too heavy to refine. So we've got bitumen and we've got aggregate. Underneath this asphalt, we need to have a stable, rigid surface. So the road base, the sub base, I'm just working off an image here, the surface course. This here is a fine gravel and aggregate mixture. Sometimes they even put a cement product in with it called granulated slag and ground slag, which gives it a low strength cement. It's a flexible surface, but that basically forms it. Underneath that we have gravel, a sub base. I'm going to draw that in to hold that in place, and then underneath that we've got compacted fill. Now, what's missing? That's basically a cross section of a road. The asphalt, the bitumen, gives flexibility. As you know, bitumen roads in heat are incredibly flexible, and the aggregate gives friction and wear resistance.